One of the first things that we want to teach people that are going to be doing ice rescue is self-rescue. One of my preferred tools for doing that, just a regular ice axe. Nothing fancy to it. We put some hockey tape on it, just like a hockey stick, so that my hands won't slide and I can get a good grip on it. And the way I would use this is, if I'm down in the water would be right about here. I'm going to reach out and dig that into the ice, and then I'm going to reach up with both hands, and I can actually pull myself up onto the ice shelf. And it works really well. The other tool that I will use, every rescuer should carry a set of ice awls. These particular ones are homemade, just dowel rods cut off with nails put in it and then filed at the very end. The way you would use these is you start out with them in a safe place so you don't puncture your suit, but you put them in a safe place where you can go out on the ice, so that if you do fall through, what you're going to do is get them in your hands. You got them like this, and you're going to dig down into the ice, and then you're going to let your feet float up behind you, and then you're just going to drag yourself up onto the ice shelf. Too many times people make a mistake and they try to lift themselves up, and when you do that, it breaks the ice. So what you want to do is just walk yourself up onto the ice with your feet behind you and drag yourself up. And that is the best way to do self-rescue.